Okay, welcome back. This is Motek. In this video, I'll show you to do some few configuration in Windows. First the thing to add this PC shortcut, and the second is to set a background image. So how you can add this PC icon on top of a desktop? Right click, then go to personalization this way. And then scroll down, go to themes, click themes, then go at icon setting, delete this PC computer, you may add it, then you can see it is already added. That's it. The second issue is to set background image. This is image which I want to make it as my background image. So right click it, then find option set as a desktop background. After that you are done. So that is the end of this tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have any issue or any question, you may ask below. This is Motek. I'm Moses Mwadende. Do not miss the next video. Thank you for watching.